Oh, there's over fucked up double peg right there.
That was meant to be an overgrade. Anyway, what's going on YouTube? This is my bike check. Part 3 now. Part 3.
Oh yeah.
Right. So we should start off. Start off with the frame. We've got still the same premium frame. Premium Get Reynolds Death Trap. We've got some Salt Plus seat. Whatever. Yeah. Still got the same Harrow cranks.
Shit.
They've been lasting for about 2 years.
And they're pretty much chrome now.
They're chrome. They started off white, black, something. Now over here we've got DK pedals.
Someone donated.
Okay. Yeah, fucking donation pedals. Moving out back Australia, we have my Primo rim. Still, is it the same rim? Yeah.
Yeah, it's still the same fucking wheel.
It's still the same fucking bike anyway. Profile hub. But yeah, here we go. We got some bodge job.
I did that.
Spokes.
I did that.
I think I got about 3 missing spokes. All right. Tire, we got Rodyssey tire, the Aaron Ross's one. Out front we've got We the People Feeling tire.
Chunky bit.
Yeah. We've got Shadow Conspiracy rim.
Oh, that is the new thing from your last one.
Yeah, that's a new thing. Yeah. Laced to a proper hub. Okay.
He knows. Big
yep.
female.
Yeah, let me turn it around.
Closer to me, biatch.
Over here we have some. That's Salt, yeah. Salt 28.2 sprocket.
Because he snapped his other one.
Yeah. It's clean. We've got some YBMCA, YBM chain.
YBMA.
Got some girl sticker there for some reason. Shadow Conspiracy.
Never slips them.
Get Hello Kitty on the front.
Shadow Conspiracy.
Never slips
stem.
Never slip.
We've got the Hello Kitty there.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, look, made in Taiwan.
Made in Taiwan as well. Got some. What are they again? S&M bars.
Call them bars.
Yeah, just call them bars.
Just handlebars. Yeah,
that's S&M bars, you donut.
We got some chrome pegs and yeah, I think that's about it.
No, it's not. Look at the grips.
Oh yeah, my
ODI fucked up, shredded. In half grips. Oh look, the other one's not even halfway.
Another one's just there.
Over.
Yeah, and I think that's about it.
Oh no, your forks are Harrow.
Oh yeah, shit. Yeah. We've got my Harrow forks.
It's still the old bike.
Still the same. Yeah, still the same. Okay, anyway.
Wait.
What else?
Can anyone tell if they're bent? You know, you might have to comment, see if they're bent or not, because I think they're bent. But anyway, that's done for now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, go on.
That's my bike check anyway. Come. I've got something for you. Follow me.
I'm following you, don't. Chicken bastard!